Welcome to the mesmerizing realm of neural networks, a driving force behind the remarkable advancements in machine learning and artificial intelligence. In this captivating video, we'll embark on a thrilling journey to unravel the secrets of neural networks. Get ready to witness their awe-inspiring capabilities through vivid examples that bring their inner workings to life. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare to be amazed by the magic of neural networks. At the core of every neural network lies the extraordinary artificial neuron, also known as a perceptron. Imagine it as a miniature computational powerhouse, inspired by the intricate workings of the human brain. Each neuron takes inputs, multiplies them by corresponding weights, sums them up, adds a bias, and then applies an activation function. It's like a decision-making unit, firing or remaining silent based on the information it receives. Number 1. Image recognition. To truly grasp the marvels of neural networks, let's explore an example that will ignite your imagination. Image recognition. Imagine feeding an image into our neural network, with each pixel value acting as an input to a neuron in the first layer. These neurons, like tireless detectives, scrutinize their assigned receptive fields for specific patterns. As we journey deeper into the network, passing through hidden layers, these neurons become more sophisticated, detecting edges, shapes, and eventually complex objects like faces or cars. Finally, the output layer presents us with the network's prediction, the recognized object within the image. Witness the neural network's neurons lighting up like fireworks, collaborating harmoniously to decipher the intricate details of the image. Each neuron's weighted inputs and activation function choices contribute to the network's ability to perceive the world just as we do, through patterns and visual cues. It's a symphony of artificial intelligence, orchestrating a mesmerizing performance in real time. But how does this remarkable network learn to make accurate predictions? Brace yourself for the unveiling of the mesmerizing magic behind neural networks, backpropagation. Number 2. Sentiment analysis. Let's delve into the enthralling domain of sentiment analysis, where our neural network will decipher the emotions concealed within text. Imagine we provide the network with labeled data, sentences tagged with positive or negative sentiments. The network, at the beginning of its journey, predicts sentiments based on its current weights and biases. Undoubtedly, it will make mistakes initially, as it grapples with the complexity of emotions encoded in language. Enter backpropagation, the hero of our neural network's learning process. As the network compares its predictions to the true sentiments, it swiftly calculates the error, the discrepancy between what it anticipated and what the sentiments truly are. This error is then propagated backward, layer by layer, as if whispering insights to each neuron along the way. Every neuron listens, adapts, and refines its parameters, adjusting the weights and biases, to minimize the errors made. It's a grand symposium of interconnected intelligence, a collaborative effort where each neuron learns from its mistakes, inching closer to accurate predictions. As the training progresses, this once naive network grows wiser. It becomes more adept at deciphering the intricate nuances of sentiments, fine-tuning its internal representation of the data. And when it is finally trained, it unleashes its power to make predictions on new, unseen sentences, providing us with invaluable insights into sentiment analysis, the emotions and opinions hidden within words. Neural networks stand as the sturdy pillars of modern machine learning, transforming raw data into profound and meaningful information. With their boundless potential, they have revolutionized numerous fields, from image recognition, natural language processing, to medical diagnosis and autonomous driving. Their ability to learn complex patterns and extract meaningful features has propelled artificial intelligence to unprecedented heights. Thank you for embarking on this exhilarating journey through the depths of neural networks. We hope this exploration has deepened your understanding of their inner workings and ignited your curiosity to further delve into the captivating world of machine learning. Remember, the possibilities are endless, so stay curious, keep exploring, and unlock the incredible potential of neural networks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.